We're going to explain the subprocess.check_output returned non-zero exit status 1-inch error in Python. This error pops up when you use the write single quote subprocess.check_output function to run an external command, and that command fails. Write single quote subprocess.check_output is designed to capture the output and check the exit code of the command. If the command exits with a code other than 0, 0, it signals an error, and Python raises this exception. A non-zero exit status generally indicates that the command encountered a problem during execution. 1. Understanding exit codes. Every command line program returns an exit code when it finishes. An exit code of 0 typically means the program ran successfully. Any other number signals an error. The specific meaning of the error depends on the program. A status of 1 could mean a file wasn't found, an incorrect argument was used, or the program encountered an unexpected condition. 2. The role of write single quote subprocess.check_output. This function is useful because it combines running an external command with error checking. Instead of separately running the command and checking its return code, check_output does it all in one step. If the command is successful, exit code 0, it returns the command's output. However, if the command fails, non-zero exit code, it raises a called process error exception. That exception contains information about the error, including the exit code and the command's output, if any. 3. Common causes and troubleshooting. 3.1. Incorrect arguments. Double-check the arguments you're passing to the command. Even a small typo or missing space can cause an error. Print out the command before executing it using write single quote subprocess.check_output. Write single quote to visually verify. 3.2 File not found. If your command relies on a file, ensure the file exists and that you're using the correct path. Use absolute paths to avoid ambiguity. 3.3 Permissions issues. Verify that the user running the Python script has the necessary permissions to execute the command and access any files it requires. 3.4 Program errors. The external program itself might have bugs or internal errors, which lead to a non-zero exit code. Check the program's documentation for troubleshooting tips. 4. How to handle the error. Don't just let the exception crash your program. Wrap your write single quote subprocess.check_output, call in a try, except block, Python import subprocess try, output =subprocess.check_output, my underscore command, arg1, arg2, print output, decode, hash. Decode bytes to string except subprocess.CalledProcessError as e, print, f, command failed with return code, e.return code. Print, f, error output, e.output.decode. Hash decode bytes to string. This improved version catches the exception, prints informative error messages including the return code, and any output from the failing command, allowing you to diagnose the problem more easily, improving debugging and error handling. Remember to always handle potential errors gracefully in your application.